Traders, what if I told you that trading must be slow, boring, dull, and methodical, and you just need to rinse and repeat the same thing all day, every day? Well, it's true. That's exactly what you need to do, guys. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm going to show you a couple of trade examples that demonstrate this exactly. Also, guys, if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm going to give you all of my trade ideas for today. So let me show you what I mean, guys, about this rinse and repeat every day. So this is a trade that I took yesterday, Euro US dollar, and it was a sell trade. You can see in here, entry, stop loss, take profit, and you can see down here, guys, we hit target, right? So let's remove this so we can look at the chart, right? So Euro US dollar, the idea of this trade was to sell it. Okay, so if we look at the day chart, this always gives me my direction. We were looking to sell. Okay, we was in a downtrend. All right, we had bearish candle, and we still had a little bit more room potentially back down to this last piece of support in here. All right, so that was the idea. That was the day chart. So all I do, guys, is firstly that I get my daily trend that was telling me to sell. I then drop to a lower time frame, right? Recently, I've been trading the H4. And all I do on the H4, again, is follow trend. Okay, so in a downtrend, right? And then I want price to be, near to the moving average 20, right? Because it represents value. Yeah, if I'm close to the moving average 20, I know pretty much I'm getting in at a good price. If I'm far away from it, I'm not. Simple as that. All right. And I want to think of stop loss placement, right? This is the last high, and I want to put my stop above there, which is exactly what I did. My stop was up here. I entered in here, okay, and then took price back down to these lows where I took some profit. All right, so sold here, took some profit here. I closed 80%. I always do partial profits, and I'm still in this trade for 20% to leave it running. As you can see, my stop loss was intact. We made some money. Good trade, right? Now, I did exactly the same. Remember what I just said about daily H4, close to the moving average 20. If we go to Euro Pound now, right, let's go to the day chart. Now, again, look, this was my trade, but this one was unsuccessful, right? We have Euro Pound sell. That was my entry. That was my stop loss. This was my target. And this example, my trade was unsuccessful, right? No problem. We will have unsuccessful trades. This is fine. Again, I just rinse and repeat. Please bear in mind, guys, obviously, when I was doing my analysis, this large bearish candle wasn't there, right? So daily chart in a downtrend, okay, and we had nice bearish candles, right? And I was looking to take price back down to these lows, okay? So daily trend, tick, right? We dropped down to the H4, and I actually entered in here, right? So why did I enter there? Well, again, right, we was in this H4 uptrend, but as soon as we broke this low, we were in a downtrend. Okay, and then when price retraced to here, what am I looking for? Exactly the same. Rinse and repeat. Yeah, we was in a H4 downtrend, and price retraced close to the moving average 20. Right, there was also horizontal resistance, and we had this trend line as well. I thought this was a really good area to get into this trade. Entered here with a view to taking price back down to these lows. Yeah, stop loss above the swing high. Just rinse and repeat. This trade was unsuccessful, and as you can see, got taken out of this trade. But the point here, guys, is you do nothing different, right? You've got your strategy, you've got your plan, just follow it, right? I know over time my strategy will play out, but I have to keep doing the same things all day, every day, right? It doesn't matter if it's a losing trade or winning trade, I just rinse and repeat. And what that helps with, guys, is you becoming a better trader. Yeah, there's no impulse, right? You just trade your plan, and in a month's time, you see where you are. Yeah, you'll probably be a few percent up. All right, so that is exactly what I mean by slow, dull, boring, and methodical. That's how your trading should be, guys. All right. Now I'm going to show you some trades. I know the markets have been crazy. We got overbought, oversold levels, but now I'm going to show you all of my trade ideas for today, guys, as well. Before I do, if I could just ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and everyone please smash the like button. Also, guys, if you would like to speak to like-minded traders, share ideas and knowledge, then please come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that and you would like my trade signals, you would like access to my strategies and tutorials, and you would like access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And right now, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get discounted, if not free access to some of these things. All right, check it all out. It's all in the video description. Right, trade ideas for today. So the catalyst for my trade ideas for today is US dollar strength. Okay, so US dollar is strong like bull. All right, like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Now, I've got lots of trades, guys, to show you here. So let's start with gold and silver. These have both broken structure. Okay, so if we start with the gold chart, and this gold is obviously against US dollar. So this is US dollar strength as well, right? And as you can see, we were in this uptrend. Okay, come back down, and now we've broken down. We've broken these lows, so we are getting lower lows, right? Lower highs. We are now in a downtrend. So, as I say, rinse and repeat, I want to sell this pair. If we drop down to the H4 now, what am I looking for? This beautiful level here, right? Remember, I'm looking for H4 downtrend, which is what this is, right? I want to be with H4 trend. I want to see a retrace towards the moving average 20, right? Tick. And it also marries up with this nice horizontal resistance level as well, right? So I will enter in here with a view to taking price lower. I'll take some profit at the last lows. So that's gold we're looking to sell. And also silver, again, rinse and repeat. Yeah, it will become boring and methodical, but it will be nice when you get consistency in your trading and see consistent profits, right? That's why we do it. Silver's exactly the same, guys, right? Day chart, we were sort of stuttering up here, and then bang, we've been in a downtrend ever since, right? We've even broken this key support level through here. I think we've got a little bit more room to move into, potentially down to the next psychological level, if not further. Okay, so daily is in a downtrend. We drop to the H4, and you know, price might come up to this grey zone and test these last lows. That would be nice. Yeah, we've got the moving average 20 as well. So this would be a nice area to start selling silver. All right, I'll take some profit at the last lows, guys. I will, because price could react there, and then I'll let some profit run. So silver as well. There's more, guys. There's more. I'm also looking at euro US dollar and pound US dollar. So if we start with the day chart, I'm just very conscious that we are at the moving average 20. This blue line is the moving average 20, right? And this acts as good dynamic support in this case, right? However, we've had a really nice rejection of that level. Now, if you look at the day chart, we were in this uptrend, and then bang, as soon as we break these lows, we're in a downtrend. Price has retraced to a nice level of resistance, and we've had a bit of a reaction there. So I'm still interested in this. Okay, if we drop down to the H4, you can see this last H4 level just hasn't broken. right? And we're at the moving average 20, right? So we like this trade. Yeah, so at resistance, right? At the moving average 20, we've even had a nice big bearish red candle. I'm considering selling this at this level to take it back down to here, if not further. All right, so again, rinse and repeat. Without sounding too boring, guys, rinse and repeat. I'm also interested in pound US dollar. Like I said, US dollar strength, that's what we're looking at. If we go to the day chart, again, I'm conscious of the fact that this is at the moving average 20, right? We're in a downtrend, right? This is where we're at. We're clearly in a downtrend. As soon as we broke these lows, right, we're getting lower highs. We're in a downtrend. Also, we had a really nice bearish candle yesterday with pound US dollar. But again, we are at the moving average 20, right? But the next real support level is this, right? This level through here. Yeah, you've got all of this price through here, and I think potentially we could make it down to there. If we look at the H4 chart, rinse and repeat. You're going to be very tired of me saying that. Yeah, so if price sort of comes back up to this level, you can see this grey zone. Because of these last lows here, we get a nice reaction in here, moving average 20s coming down. We could start selling pound US dollar. And there's more, guys. There's one more trade. Let me just show you this. Before I do, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button and check out all the cool things we're running on our channel right now. The information for all of them is in the video description. The last one, S&P, salt and pepper. I know it doesn't mean salt and pepper. Daily chart, right? This has a little bit more room. If we go to the weekly chart first, I think this still has a little bit more room down to this support level here. You know, even more room down to the moving average 20, right? And we're seeing this sell-off on the indices. So weekly is bearish, bearish candle, should I say. We're still in an uptrend. And then if we go to the day chart, we're clearly in this downtrend. Maybe a little bit oversold, right? But we are in a downtrend. Lower highs, that's the last low, lower lows, okay? And very bearish candles, right? I like the fact that this candle was closed below this last low of that candle. So we're looking for sells, right? If we look at the H4, again, guys, right? I want to put my stop loss here. Okay, so I'm going to let that guide me. So if price comes up to here, probably around about this level, yeah, and I can get in, I will. I'll enter here, yeah, with a view to taking price back down to here, hide my stop loss above the last high and the moving average 20, which will be coming down. All right, guys. So, yeah, lots of trades today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you next time.